and welcome to our virtual open house. My name is Mrs. Garrett, and I am a second grade teacher here at Cedar Tree Academy. What is it like to be a second grader here at Cedar Tree Academy? Well, let's find out. Come on. Let's talk about arrival and breakfast. Once students enter the building, they hang their belongings up and then they partake in our breakfast provided by DC Central Kitchen at no extra cost. Next, we will talk about the morning meeting. This is an opportunity for our scholars to come on the carpet, partake in each other's company while they engage in calendar activity and the student affirmation. Next, we will talk about the read aloud. This is an opportunity for our scholars to actually listen, improve their comprehension skills, and it aligns with our reading curriculum. Let's talk about reading whole group. At this time of instruction, teachers are concentrating on comprehension skills, literacy, and phonics that closely relate to the read aloud in the curriculum. After reading whole group, reading small group instruction is a more concentrated effort to engage with our students through technology, focusing in on those literacy skills, comprehension skills, and phonics. Here at Cedar Tree Academy, where the love of learning lives, also lives independent learners and writers. Through our writing program, we teach our scholars good sentence structure and punctuation. Next, let's talk about Second Step. Second Step is our social emotional program. Through this program, teachers help our scholars to self-regulate, deal with their feelings, and problem solve. Now, let's talk about lunch. Here at Cedar Tree, we provide our children with a nutritious lunch from DC Central Kitchen. Students also have the option of bringing their own lunch, but keep in mind, this is a nut-free school. Now, let's talk about recess. Recess is provided to our students for a 45-minute block. At that time, they're able to make friends, play independently, or do whatever they want to do within the safety of Cedar Tree Academy. Next, let's talk about math whole group. It is a very essential part of our day where our scholars are instructed on basic math skills such as adding, counting, subtracting, and word problem solving. After math whole group, our scholars go into small group. Through the math small group, students are engaged through mathematical instruction through games, technology, and a more concentrated concept of those basic math skills. Now, let's talk about snack. At snack time, scholars are provided with a nutritious snack with fresh fruit and vegetables. Students also have the option of bringing their own snack. But remember, yes, we are a nut-free school. Finally, guys, we are at the end of our second grade learning day. At this time, scholars are on the carpet, they're talking about what they have learned for the day, and they also gather their things for dismissal. Thank you so much for coming to our virtual open house, and we hope to see you soon because we are Cedar Tree, where the love of learning lives.